What's it? Oh, 18 plus. What's he touching? Oh, Yo, what's up guys? So I kind of already made this video, but I kind of left some stuff out, so I'm re-recording it again. I don't know if you can hear the vibrations in the background, I keep getting notifications on my phone. So, this video, Steam Wallpaper Engine review. So, these bitches won't shut up. Jeez. I like to sleep, I like to eat in my bio, now all the hoes are after me. Jeez, man. Relax. So, boom, Wallpaper Engine, down bad stuff already. It's pretty versatile. You have all types of things on Steam Wallpaper Engine. You can have pretty lewd stuff if you want. Like, damn. Or you could have some, I don't know, visually stunning cool stuff. Or even Love is War, and you can move around, you know. It's very cool. You can have cute stuff like this as well. There is a lot of stuff here that I have that I don't use, but I have it because, you know, it's just cool or whatever. But yeah, this one's really cool actually. Damn. You can have some pretty memey stuff as well. Yeah, okay. I'm not trying to risk copyright, you know. Sheesh, call me son. Watching this.
This was the winning name you guys voted for in their last video.
This one's pretty cool. Whenever you play a song, it comes up here. I gave my pet ant colony a baby mouse, and it actually displayed. Some of these wallpapers have customizable settings. Like, look at this. It's so cool. Like, damn. Mine's an auto. They have auto settings sometimes. Won't get too much into it. Ooh. You can just tell it's a wallpaper engine made for gamers and weebs. Jeez. Look at how cool it is. Like, damn. It's for everyone. Girl, men, women, females, you know. Itachi, damn. What else can I show? Oh yeah, some of them have visualizers as well, so if you were to play some audio, no compressor sound. Let's go. Very cool. So some of them just have sound, you know, it's just cool. Some of them just straight up cool. Nice and easy on the eyes, except for this one. Pretty white. Interactable as well. Pretty cool though. This one's awesome. No! What? I only watch anime, get out of here. No manga spoilers. Yeah, like I said, I have random stuff I don't need, but I just have it because it looks cool. Don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, but yeah. Sheesh, Cyberpunk, this one's actually pretty cool. Jet from Valorant? Damn. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as this one. Itachi? What's his name again? Isagi, there we go. And Rin Saitoshi maybe, I don't know, I feel like he's a Rin Saitoshi, I forgot his name, I don't remember. Anyways, look, you even have Discover and Workshop in here. Discover, this one's new, what's this? Subscribe, let's see, you have to click on subscribe to get the wallpapers. I haven't watched Evangelion. Oh, sure, I'll get a couple of these then. Oh, mobile. Oh yeah, you can get Steam Wallpaper Engine on your mobile, but I don't know how. Maybe it's only for Android. I don't know, but anyway, let's go to the installed. Let's see. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, so simple wallpaper, pretty nice. You have the time, and then you have the song playing, or whatever you have in the background playing actually. I'm so sorry that you guys have to see I gave my pet ant colony a baby mouse. Yeah, sorry about that. And then this one. You know what? I like this one actually, I think I'll keep it. Get out of here. Let's go to the workshop. Ew, default Windows 11. Windows 11 is so ass. The translucent TB app, which makes this taskbar transparent, which will then show the entire thing. Oh, this one's so cool. It has built-in music. But yeah, the transparent taskbar, it doesn't work anymore after the Windows 11 update. And look at this. These lines just don't go away. Windows 11 is so wank. It's so terrible. Like, what the hell are you doing, Windows 11? Windows, Bill Gates, what the hell? There are some wallpapers that do this as well. Like, they just have built-in music, and it's so cool. You see that there's not one, there's multiple. Okay, these actually even work as well. Like, oh, it's just so cool. Oh, settings, what the hell? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, what? Wait, what did I do? Oh, it changes the song. Yeah. Oh. Oh. This is very cool. Honestly, this is a great wallpaper. I definitely recommend it. And this is a workshop. You can just get anything here if you want. You can just search anything up here. I don't know, anime. And you just click on subscribe, which downloads it and adds it to your installed wallpapers. I don't want this. You know, when I recorded it as well previously, I went to the... This is what I got before as an example. I went to the Steam... Shut up. Yeah, so I went to the Steam app and just went to Community and Workshop, and then you type in Wallpaper Engine here. And yeah, just click on Wallpaper Engine, and you already have some of it over here that you don't really get in the thing here. I guess it's like recommendations over here, and this one's just general, I guess. And I found it right here. It's pretty good, it's pretty nice. Not something I would use, but it's cool. You can even search over here, or you can go these. Ooh, damn. Most recent. Oh damn. Yeah, there was some pretty NSFW stuff here as well. Demon Slayers, let's go. I actually wanna see now. Demon Slayer. You know what, I'm just gonna install quite a few of these. Am I over installing? I don't know. Okay, let's just close out of it and let's go to installed. As you can see, it's all here. No, but I don't like that, it's too low quality. It's higher quality as a sound, but I don't like the effects. Yeah, that was pretty simple, why not keep it? I just want my transparent thing. Thanks a lot, Windows 11. Bloody hell. You know, I might keep it. I might delete it soon, I don't know. This one, it's pretty good quality and I like it. I'll keep it. And yeah, be careful because some thumbnails are dodgy, and if they are dodgy then it means it is probably NSFW. Some stuff just straight up includes penetration and blah blah blah. I accidentally fell for one of these traps, so I'll put in the clip now. What that? I thought it was like connected, you know, but no. What's it? Oh, 18 plus. What's he touching? Oh. So I can't show you, but it was cake, and there was a hole in the middle. So yeah, just be careful. And yeah, I think that's it, right? I said how cool this is. There's like a bunch of, I don't know, cool stuff, I guess you could say. A lot of, you know, yeah, a lot of cool stuff. A lot of different stuff. I think it suits everyone. I don't really like it. Some of the stuff I don't even like anymore. Time to delete some stuff. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yo, it even suits for car people, you know? If you're a car person, boom. If you're a Genshin Impact player, boom. It got you. It got you. If you're an astronaut type of person, like, damn, look at that. Look how clean that is. Sheesh. Honestly, I don't really like this. I have a super lewd one as well. I don't really like it, to be honest. Let's go. So you know what? I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Do I recommend it? Yes. Why not? Boom.